In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the power steering pump pulley on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to loosen the idler pulley. As we loosen the idler pulley, we're going to pull the belt off the power steering pump pulley. We're going to let it return, and I'm going to keep my belt tight, just like this. Using a strap wrench, we're going to hold the power steering pump pulley while we use a 19mm socket to remove the nut. Remove the nut off of the pulley. Wiggle the pulley side to side and remove it off of the pump shaft. There's splines on the shaft, and they'll line up with the splines on the pulley. We're going to install the pulley with this extra shaft piece pointing in. Install the pulley onto the pump. Make sure the splines are matched up. And then install the nut. We're going to use the strap wrench to hold the pulley. We'll use our ratchet to tighten it. Torque the power steering pulley nut to 47 foot-pounds. I'm going to grab the belt. I'm going to start it on the power steering pump pulley. Loosen the tensioner and install the belt onto the pulley. Make sure it's sitting flat in all of the grooves, and make sure that the belt is sitting properly on all of the other pulleys.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.